Personification. To help understand more about figures of speech, we thought it was necessary to show some other examples of personification. Personification means embodiment, symbolize, illustration, represent as a person. Blood crying, Genesis chapter 4 and verse 10. Blood speaking, Hebrews chapter 12 and verse 24. False prophet as a prostitute, Revelation chapter 17. Folly as a strange woman, Proverbs chapter 9 verses 13 to 18. Israel as a dancing virgin, Jeremiah chapter 31 and verse 4. Mountains singing, Ezekiel chapter 27 and verse 25. Stars singing, Job chapter 38 and verse 7. Psalm 96 and verse 11. The sun is, Psalm 19 verses 1 to 6. Yahweh is my shepherd, Psalm 23 and verse 1. Israel a flock of sheep, Jeremiah 31 and verse 10, etc. The wholesome tongue is a tree of life, Proverbs chapter 15 and verse 4. Wisdom crying, Proverbs chapter 1 verses 20 to 33. Proverbs chapter 8 and verse 1, etc. Wisdom is described as a female figure, as she, Proverbs chapter 3 verses 15 to 18, Proverbs chapter 4 verses 5 to 13. Wisdom as a sister, Proverbs chapter 7 and verse 4. Wisdom's speech, Proverbs chapter 8 and verses 4 to 36. Note, she was there in the beginning, verses 22 to 23. Wisdom as a tree of life, Proverbs chapter 3 and verse 18. Personification of fear, the boogeyman. Personification of the physical earth, Mother Earth. Personification of time, Father Time. Personification of death, the Grim Reaper. Personification of Christmas, Santa Claus. Personification of wisdom, a woman. Personification of the true church, a virgin bride. Personification of the false church, a harlot. Personification of sin, Satan, the devil.